Hi, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday. Today we'll be making DIY pom-poms. This craft is really simple and all you need is a ball of yarn, a pair of scissors. I'm using fabric scissors just to make it a little easier to cut my yarn, and your hand. To start off, we're going to take our hand, our 4 fingers, and we're going to start to wrap the yarn around our hand. Depending on how large you want the ball to be, so you're just going to increase your strand amount. For the sample one, I used 40 revolutions, so I'll probably go to 50 just to make it a little larger. Slide it delicately off of your hand. I'm going to cut about a 6-inch piece of yarn. We're going to wrap the 6 inches around the ball that we just made. Okay, I'm just going to trim that down. And now we're going to take our scissors and through the loops that we've made on each side of the ball, we're going to start to cut. Fluff it out. And here we can give it a haircut if we'd like. These pom-poms can be used for the tops of hats, scarves, gloves, mittens, but I'm going to use mine as a cat toy for my cats. And there we go. We have our pom-poms.